Hey everyone, welcome back. Looking for the best sous vide cooker machine to elevate your home cooking? In today's video, I'm counting down the top 6 best sous vide cooker machines that deliver restaurant quality results with precision and ease. Whether you're a home cook, fitness enthusiast, or tech lover, there's a perfect option waiting for you. Let's dive right in and find your next favorite kitchen gadget. Before we get started, make sure to check the links in the description below if you want to know the latest prices, deals, and more information about each product. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product reviews. Kitchen Product Insights.
Product number 1. Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0. Taking the number 1 spot is the Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0, one of the most trusted and feature-packed sous vide machines available today. I love how its powerful heating element maintains incredibly accurate temperatures, helping you achieve perfectly cooked steak, chicken, seafood, vegetables, and eggs every single time. The upgraded Wi-Fi connectivity lets you monitor and control your cooking directly from your smartphone using the Innova app, making meal preparation effortless, even when you're away from the kitchen. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the adjustable clamp fits most pots with ease. Whether you're meal prepping for the week, experimenting with gourmet recipes, or simply looking for consistent cooking results, this precision cooker delivers impressive performance. For anyone wanting professional quality sous vide cooking with smart features and dependable accuracy, the Innova Precision Cooker 3.0 is an excellent investment that's built to impress.
Product number 2. Kitchen Boss Sous Vide Cooker Machine. Coming in at number 2 is the Kitchen Boss Sous Vide Cooker Machine, a sleek and modern immersion circulator designed for reliable precision cooking. I appreciate its quiet brushless DC motor, which keeps noise levels incredibly low while maintaining stable temperatures throughout the cooking process. The stainless steel housing not only looks premium, but also offers excellent durability and easy cleaning. The bright LED touchscreen makes adjusting time and temperature simple, even for beginners. Whether you're cooking tender steaks, juicy chicken breasts, salmon, vegetables, or preparing healthy meal prep recipes, this cooker consistently produces delicious results. Its efficient water circulation helps eliminate hot spots, ensuring every meal is cooked evenly from edge to center. Compact, easy to store, and energy efficient, the Kitchen Boss Sous Vide Cooker is ideal for home cooks and food lovers who want restaurant-quality meals without complicated equipment. It's a dependable choice for both beginners and experienced sous vide enthusiasts.
Product number 3. Cruxo 1100 Watt Sous Vide Cooker. At number 3, we have the Cruxo 1100 Watt Sous Vide Cooker, a powerful immersion circulator built for fast heating and consistent cooking performance. The impressive 1100 watt heating system quickly brings water to your desired temperature, reducing waiting time before cooking begins. I like its user-friendly digital display that allows easy temperature and timer adjustments with just a few taps. The precision temperature control ensures tender meats, flavorful seafood, perfectly cooked vegetables, and delicious desserts every time. Its compact design fits comfortably in most cooking pots, while the sturdy clamp keeps it securely in place throughout the cooking process. Quiet operation and efficient water circulation provide consistent heat distribution, helping eliminate overcooked or undercooked spots. Whether you're new to sous vide or upgrading your current setup, the Cruxo 1100 offers excellent value, dependable accuracy, and enough power to satisfy home cooks looking for reliable, everyday performance. Product number 4. Yeti Infinity Sous Vide Cooker. Landing at number 4 is the Yeti Infinity Sous Vide Cooker, a versatile precision cooker that's perfect for anyone wanting simple operation with reliable results. I really enjoy its intuitive touchscreen controls, making it easy to dial in the exact cooking temperature and timer. The powerful circulation system keeps water moving efficiently, ensuring every piece of food cooks evenly throughout the bath. Its durable construction and secure adjustable clamp provide excellent stability on different pot sizes. Whether you're preparing perfectly medium-rare steaks, juicy chicken, tender pork, fresh vegetables, or healthy meal prep recipes, the Yeti Infinity consistently delivers impressive texture and flavor. The cooker operates quietly while maintaining precise temperatures for hours without fluctuation,
It's especially appealing to beginners thanks to its straightforward setup and dependable performance. If you're searching for an affordable yet capable sous vide machine that delivers professional quality cooking at home, the Yeti Infinity deserves serious consideration.
Product number 5. Crux Sous Vide Precision Cooker. At number 5 is the Crux Sous Vide Precision Cooker, a compact and efficient immersion circulator designed to simplify precision cooking at home. I appreciate how quickly it heats water while maintaining stable temperatures for consistently delicious meals. The clear digital interface makes setting cooking times and temperatures straightforward, even if you're completely new to sous vide cooking. Its lightweight design allows for easy storage, while the adjustable clamp securely attaches to a variety of pots and containers. From perfectly cooked steaks and tender chicken breasts to salmon, eggs, vegetables, and desserts, this cooker delivers excellent consistency with minimal effort. Efficient water circulation helps distribute heat evenly, reducing the chances of uneven cooking. Whether you're experimenting with gourmet recipes or preparing healthy weekly meals, the Crux Sous Vide Precision Cooker offers dependable performance, simple controls, and impressive value, making it a great addition to almost any modern kitchen. Product number 6. Cattleman's Sous Vide Cooker. Rounding out today's list is the Cattleman Sous Vide Cooker, an affordable yet capable precision cooking machine that offers excellent value for home chefs. I like its easy-to-read digital control panel, allowing quick adjustments to cooking temperature and time. Despite its budget-friendly price, it delivers surprisingly consistent heating and reliable water circulation, helping you create juicy steaks, tender chicken, flavorful fish, and perfectly cooked vegetables. The sturdy clamp keeps the unit firmly attached to your cooking container, while the compact design makes storage simple after use. Quiet operation means you can let it cook for hours without disturbing your household. It's a great choice for beginners who want to experience sous vide cooking without spending a premium price. Whether you're meal prepping for fitness goals or exploring restaurant-quality cooking techniques, the Cattleman Sous Vide Cooker provides dependable performance and excellent results that make precision cooking more accessible than ever. Thanks for watching my top 6 best sous vide cooker machines. I hope this guide helped you find the perfect precision cooker. Don't forget to like, comment with your favorite, subscribe for more honest reviews, and check the links in the description for today's latest prices and deals.